Good morning, Polly. We are starting off the day with quite a lot of cloud and fog over the northeastern parts of the country. The fog is also spreading into parts of the Free State. We could see a bit of drizzle along the Limpopo and Mpumalanga escarpment areas. Quite a lot of high-level clouds over the southern areas, and now that's ahead of this pretty massive cold front which is going to hit our shores as we get towards midday, introducing heavy rains over the western parts of the country. Now we have a watch in place for heavy rains that could result in localized flooding around the Cape Metropole as well as further inland into the Winelands and the Overberg. We also have a watch in place for gale force winds expected to spread across the Western Cape, the southern parts of the Northern Cape, and also eastwards into the Eastern Cape, where winds could reach up to 75 kilometers per hour. A watch is also in place for high seas along the west coast of the Western Cape, especially between Lambert's Bay and Cape Agulhas. Now it's going to be dry across the bulk of South Africa. The rains are going to be confined to the western areas of the Western Cape, with up to an 80% chance of rainfall possible for the Cape Metropole, the Cape Winelands, as well as around the Overberg. Now with that, let's take it closer to your part of the country. We start with the northeastern areas. It's going to be partly cloudy for much of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. The cloud could also spill into Pretoria, where a high of 32 is expected. Mostly sunny and mild to warm weather is forecast across KwaZulu-Natal, the Free State, and also over much of the Eastern Cape. Similar weather along the East Coast, where highs in the mid to upper 20s are expected. We are going to see quite a lot of wet weather setting in over the western areas of the Western Cape, with cooler afternoon temperatures. It will be dry, however, for much of the South Coast. In the Northern Cape, we are expecting more of sunshine than cloud in most areas, with temperatures in the lower to mid-20s. Pretty wet weather is forecast for Cape Town, where a high of just 16 is forecast. It will be chilly as well for Langaban, peaking at 17 degrees. Now on Friday, we are going to see wintry weather persisting over the western areas, with cooler temperatures as well as scattered rain and snowfalls. Then on Saturday, the cold weather spreads into eastern South Africa, and it will stay wet in the Cape provinces and also in KwaZulu-Natal. That's all we had time for now. Back to you.